Coordinate systems are easy to use in SOLIDWORKS. Here I have a simple part file, but the procedure for inserting a coordinate system is the same, whether you're using a part or an assembly. To begin, I'll launch the Coordinate System tool from the Reference Geometry drop-down menu. The Coordinate System Property Manager is very straightforward. The first selection box asks me to specify a point or vertex to base the coordinate system off of. By default, you'll be able to select any endpoint or midpoint, but if you want to have a coordinate system created around any other kind of arbitrary point, you'd first have to create a sketch and then add the point manually. Instead of creating a sketch for this example, I'll just choose this point here. The next thing I need to do is define the axes of the coordinate system. This involves making two selections. Notice in the Property Manager the X and Y axis selection boxes are active, with Z grayed out. If I click in the Z direction box, the Y-axis becomes grayed out. Only two of the three directions need to be specified, because the resulting coordinate system will follow the right-hand rule. If you're not familiar with this convention, it simply means that the Z direction of the coordinate system will be determined by using your right hand. You first align your fingers along the X direction, then close your fingers in the Y direction. When you do this, whichever direction your thumb is pointing in, that's the Z direction. Now back to defining the axes. Simply select a line, axis, or an edge to align an axis to the item you select. I'll select this edge for the X-axis, and this edge to align the Z-axis. You can see the preview triad updates in the graphics area. Remember, the axis arrow points in the positive direction, and this is important when you're dealing with center of mass and other properties. If the arrows are pointing the wrong way, you can use the reverse direction icons to switch them. Once the preview triad looks the way you want, simply click the green check, and the coordinate system is added. Now, if I go to Mass Properties from the Evaluate toolbar, I can switch the output system from the default coordinate system to the coordinate system I just created. And the Mass Properties should update automatically. If you don't see a change right away, press the Recalculate button, and the Mass Properties will be given to you relative to the new coordinate system.